Hello everyone, in this video let us take a look at a new app that was released recently on the marketplace called Access Log for Jira. So as you probably know that I review apps, especially the new ones that are released on the marketplace, and I got interested in this app called Access Log for Jira. If you look at the marketplace listing, this app is available on server and data center, which is good. And I normally try to spend some time on the marketplace listing so that I can understand what this app can do for me. So you have a few screenshots here, few images that explains the purpose of this app. So this app will give you complete access to the log to all Jira content. So not the log, but the access log. So I believe you will have some kind of a table where you can see the list of users who are accessing, let us say, various issues, which is good. And then you can also filter this by, I believe, based on specific users. And you also have some options to update the access log information. So there is a retention period that you can configure, and you can also configure the records per page. So let us take a look at this app, and let us see if this app is useful or not. So I have already installed this app, and once you install this app, you will be able to take a look at this new section called Access Log. It is available right under your audit log in Jira. So when you take a look at this page, initially it will be empty, and as you start using Jira, as people or other users are basically using Jira, this page, this listing will update with different issues or what content is being accessed by which user. So right now, since I'm the only user using this Jira instance, so it is only my name, but I think it is enough to give you an idea. So there are already like 4 entries. Let me do something new with my Jira instance. If I go to my dashboard, and if I, let us say, try to access one of my issue, let us say SKP-1, this is my issue, and I'll just open this issue, and at the same time I might open maybe a different issue, which is, let us say, SKP-6. So we'll open a couple of issues and we'll see, and we'll take a look at the access log. So if I go back to the access log page, if I do a refresh of this page, hopefully this listing will update with 2 new entries. On top you can see here SKP-6 and SKP-1, and it will give you the idea about the time when this issue was accessed, uh, of course the username, IP address, I think it can be useful, and the issue type, so, or the content type, I believe, not the issue type. So this is of course an issue. And I believe if I go back to the marketplace listing, I can see here attachment as well. So attachment or maybe comment. So this is quite interesting. Let me also add a comment here. So there is a comment. If I click on the comment here, I mean the link, for each and every comment there is a link, and if I click on it and if I go back to my access log, let us see if we are able to see a new entry here that says comment. So not yet. I'll probably add a new comment. Okay, so this is a new comment, and I'll add a new comment here. And if I go back to my listing of my page, so there is actually this comment, and it says it will actually take you to the actual comment. Let me do a refresh one more time, because initially I clicked on the comment but it didn't appear. So it will give you a direct link to the comment, and if I click on it, so the comment ID is 10454. I know because I can see it in the URL when I hover my mouse over the comment ID. So it will actually take me to the comment that I initially no, it is actually taking me to the comment that I just added. So this is actually fine because I think it can be useful because uh, if you're adding a new comment or if you're accessing an issue, I think this add-on can be useful. You can also have some other options like you can have some retention period or records per page that you can configure. You can also export this, and I forgot to check the pricing. So if I go back to the listing, let us take a look at the pricing. So you have the pricing information. So it is not really a free add-on, but I think this app can be useful in certain situations where you are just interested in having this access log information right on your Jira UI. So overall, I think this app is good. I believe this has uh, some use case, and I personally think that if I have to do the same thing, I don't mind installing this app, provided there is a budget, because it is not really a free app. So this is all I wanted to share in this video, and I hope you enjoyed and you learned something new today. Thank you very much.